We're here at the DoubleTree here in Chattanooga. And we have some, what used to be custom impulse now got modded by Otis. Okay, whatever. Sure.
Yep, thanks.
Those blueberries at home.
I'll push the bathroom.
Okay.
Going up.
Here we go down. We're in elevator A.
Going up.
Creepy. Look at that basement. Super creepy. You heard that right. Go down to 1. Close the door.
Please stand clear of the closing door.
Just pretend I don't care about the voice. We're in elevator A. We're going down. Yes, we're going down.
Thank you, Bob. How you doing today, Bob?
Doing good. How about you?
Hey, blessed. Woke up this morning, didn't we?
That's right.
Hey, God's got something good for us.
Going down.
You doing good today, Bob?
Yep.
That's good. Keep making the world look beautiful, you hear me?
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Bob?
You're welcome.
Yeah, bless you. God bless you.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, we're in the video here. Just this place is busy. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.